Hello, this is Sin. I'm the creator of iDidIt. It's a free app in the App Store that allows you to keep track of your goals and tasks visually. This is the existing version that's in the App Store. This is the iOS 6.0 version, and this is what it looks like in iOS 6. But in this video, what I actually wanted to show you is what it looks like in iOS 7. Now, this is the simulator. So there's going to be certain things I won't be able to do. But for those who don't know what iDidIt is, it's really a way to keep track of your goals or tasks in a visual way, using graphs as a way to positively reinforce to you to keep going on that goal. So for instance, if you wanted to keep track of the number of times you've gone to the gym, you type the task name as, went to the gym, and the number of times you want to go to the gym. Say I want to go to the gym 30 times. Now I didn't say 30 times in a month. I just said 30 times. So that leaves it entirely up to you as far as when you want to accomplish being able to go to the gym 30 times. Now that could be 6 weeks for some people. That could be 4 weeks for some people. It's entirely up to you. iDidIt doesn't actually care or keep track of that. So the idea is for every time you complete a task or a goal, you click the check mark next to that goal. And what that would do is increment the graph by 1, as well as increment the completed count by 1. Now at each night at midnight, these check marks actually gets resetted. That allows you to start a new day fresh, to accomplish your goal anew for that day. Another cool thing about iDidIt is that you can see when you completed those tasks on a month view. That way you can also go back in time and edit the calendar in case you've forgotten to check in iDidIt on the actual day that you did those tasks or goals. So that's how that works. Also, like I mentioned earlier, you can choose to share your achievements. Again, because this is the simulator, there should be a lot more options. You should be able to email, text, Twitter, and Facebook, as well as back up your data in Dropbox. Now, when you go to Dropbox, it will obviously ask you to authenticate using your Dropbox credentials. And this is what it looks like. You can give it a file name. And what it does is when you hit backup, it'll automatically append the date and time to it. That way, should you accidentally give it the exact same file name, it would never really be the same file name because the date and time is appended in front of the file name you've given it. You can also restore data as well as backup data, obviously. If you click restore, iDidIt will download the database from Dropbox, override its existing database, and then terminate. So here's a dialog box giving you a rundown of what's going to happen. You click restore, you relaunch iDidIt, and you can see this is a slightly older version of that database where I haven't checked any of these tasks in the last 20 or so days. The third tab here is a view by category, so you can see specific tasks by category, and you can cycle through them using the toolbar down here. And this middle tab here is your favorites tab. It's probably pretty self-explanatory. These are the tasks that you've marked as your favorite, which would ordinarily be a subset of the all tasks here. Anyway, this is Sin, and I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of iDidIt version 2.0.